Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by clarifying 1 to 3 campaign goals so you know what signals to chase. Next, enter seed keywords, brand names, competitor handles, and topic ideas. This gives you comparison queries. Once done, set the region, timeframe, and category to match your audience because trends differ by location and period. Make sure to include related queries and rising terms immediately. They surface content angles. This fast setup gets you relevant data to shape social copy and timing. You now analyze the comparisons. Load up to 5 queries and watch where peaks and troughs align. These indicate best posting times and recurring seasonality. Then check interest by subregion to prioritize markets and use related queries to discover rising phrases you can hijack. Once you identify spikes, export CSV or capture screenshots so your team can schedule posts and creative experiments. Make sure to annotate which spike matched which content type, because that tells you what format or hook worked. You convert trends into action by mapping each search spike to a content angle, format, and posting window. Short video for sharp spikes, evergreen threads for steady interest. Then run small A/B tests on headlines, thumbnails, and captions while tracking immediate engagement and referral traffic. Once you identify winning combos, scale them across platforms. If results look inconsistent, troubleshoot. Widen the time frame or compare broader keywords to reduce noise, and make sure filters or
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.